Left hand with that shine, but my right hand on that ganja. Used to let it slide, now I hit him like he Honda. This ain't what you wanted. Used to date a ratchet bitch, she always wore that bun. Now I got a new bitch and I hell on it.
Hi, I'm Joe from Night 8 TV, and this is our Can-Am Outlander speaker system. This is for our 2019 Can-Am Outlander. It fits other models. We have it for every make and model. I'm going to show you how to install this kit on this vehicle. It's pretty much the same for every model, but let's get right to it. This is what you'll get in your kit. You get your 2 speakers and your bag of parts. So jumping right into it, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to actually unplug this wire harness. This comes plugged in because we test every kit to make sure that it's working. So unplug this and unplug this. Keep track of how they plugged in. You're going to do that later. And now the first step, we are going to test fit our housing up onto the fender. So you're going to come around to your fender. We've already done some work to this vehicle, so disregard that stuff. You're going to take your speaker and you're going to line it up on your fender. Make sure all the wires are inside it. See how that's like that there? Make sure your wires are inside it. You're going to move it around until you feel where it sits nice and flush. You can see that the line here is pretty even with the line down there, and you'll feel where it drops right in and sits perfectly on your quad. Right there. That's perfect. Okay, so once you have it lined up like that, you move it around, you feel where it fits perfect. You're going to mark the 4 holes and drill them. What a lot of people do is they'll drill 1 hole, put a screw in, then they'll drill the next hole, put a screw in to make sure that nothing moves. Either way is fine. Just make sure you get those 4 holes drilled so that it's perfect and set up for your speaker to mount onto your fender. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to drill a hole for your wire harness to go through. So after you have those holes set up to mount your Fender speaker, you're going to drill a hole for your wire harness to go through. So that wire harness that I showed you before, this is that wire harness. You're going to unwrap this and you're going to take the 2 prongs that go to your battery and you're going to feed them through the hole, leaving all the other connectors on this side of your fender, and you're going to run these wires to your battery. So if you come around this side, you can see that we have this black and red wire right here, and it comes down and it goes behind the panel over here. You don't have to take that panel off. You can just kind of feed it up through that way. Fish your hand under your seat down to it, and I'll show you how that looks under here. Oops. So you can see we kind of fished it around down here. We put a zip tie down in there. You can remove some of these parts of the panel to get it secured really well. Run it over here, make sure it's not going to get hit by your seat where your seat mounts down, and bring it over and mount your positive and negative onto your battery like that. So now you have your power cable ran. The next wire you're going to run is your speaker wire and LED wire that go from your left speaker over to your right speaker. So these are in your bag of parts. This is an LED extension cable. This is the speaker wire with the black housing on it that goes from your left speaker to your right speaker. Feed them through this hole. And then on the same thing down here, you come behind your fender and you want to route these carefully out of the way. You're going to cover these up later, but right now you want to see that they come up over here. And then we used a thin metal rod, like a coat hanger or something, to fish them from this side. And you can see it runs all the way over, comes out the same spot on this side here. You can see where these 2 wires come out. And then they go behind this panel here. And then we did the same thing on the right side. We put the Fender speaker on the front, we drilled our 4 holes, and we drilled the 1 hole for the wires to go through. So I can show you what that looks like over here. That's this speaker housing, the one without the amplifier or switch. We did the same thing like I did on the other side. We put this on, you get to the point where it fits perfectly, drill the 4 holes to mount this speaker up, and then in the center part there, drill a hole to run these 2 wires through. So now you have these 2 wires that came through here. You're going to plug this wire into your LED wire here. Make sure when you're doing this, there are 2 connections, 2 arrows that line up. Make sure those line up. I'm going to put dielectric grease on those, and then I'm going to put some electrical tape around that. And then the same thing here, put a little dielectric grease on there and click those together. Then you would be ready to mount this up. I'll do that right now for you. On this side, you are going to connect, and again, dielectric grease your stuff. Plug back in what we disconnected before. This 3-pin connector plugs in here. This 2-pin power wire plugs in right here. This one should be already connected for your left speaker. This one plugs into here, so now you have your LED controller from your LED controller right here plugged into your speaker here. The other side of the LED controller goes to this. I'm lining up these arrows here. Use dielectric grease and then electrical tape. And then this last one for this left speaker, for the right speaker, plugs into the amplifier there. Make sure all your wires are tucked up inside the housing. Mount it on. Everything's hooked up. Go ahead and turn it on. Make sure that it works. You got your LEDs coming on. Those can be adjusted by the remote that came with your kit, or you can download the app, Lotus Lantern, that app right there, and that will connect to Bluetooth on your LEDs. So you can change them there. You can go to different modes. Go to the Bluetooth on your phone. Connect right now. It is that one. It will say night ATV soon. So you hear that noise. It just connected. And play some tunes.
Music in the house. Yo, Poe, you got something for this track?
I got the drip on, I got it, baby.
Then let's do this.
I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the